Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so look, we continue to seal off the daily mid-band and the 9-day as resistance. This 50-day continues to be open. We're right in the area of the lower Bollinger Band, which comes in this morning. Where am I here? About 44.90. 95 and change is your Globex low. So look, everything we talked about yesterday with regard to this chart is still the deal. You got this low here, you got this low here. If you're the bears, you want to take them out. You want to get down to 44.50. You want to test the 50-day, maybe go on a lower band ride if you can get away with it. The bears have reacted well. So look, yesterday they push it back up, which was fine. Made the majority of our money yesterday on the long side, but that's what you do when it rallies. You don't sit here and short and add like an idiot, because it's not going down today. It's going up today. The nice part was it came in at a really solid test of the weekly pivot. So look, if you're a bear, that's a nice job. You hold this here. This is an hourly chart. So you're talking about 5-6 hours of a weekly pivot, tests and holds. They bring it back in. So like I said, your low is 95.25. Yesterday's low was 93.75. So you had a little marginal higher low. The bears need to deal with this low today. No questions. Take it out. Don't leave a higher low. When you leave a higher low, bad stuff happens to you, like going all the way back up. So, if they can take out that low, if they can deal with the roundy at 4,500, which they've been trying to do, haven't done a really good job of dealing with it, but those big round numbers like to be tested multiple times. Then you have a chance for things to open up a little bit and then get down into that 50-day exponential moving average, which comes in today around 44.60. What do the bulls want to do? Well, you got to get back now. You got to deal with the hourly mid-band, which is coming at 27, 27.5. That's locked up with the daily pivot here. You got volume weighted average price 1662, proprietary moving average 4510. You got to deal with all that price. You got to get all the way back to the weekly pivot, and then you got to do a heck of a lot better job of dealing with it than you dealt with it yesterday. So, anything on the long side is a trade. It's a short-term rental type of a deal until they can deal with weekly pivot, until they can deal with it all the way up and through the daily mid-band, because it just goes back to the basic stuff. What's the basic stuff? Let's talk about it. We talked about it yesterday. E-mini likes to trade upper band, middle band, lower band, middle band, upper band. It's the way it goes. When it's stuck between the upper band and the middle band, that's a buy dips market. Okay? When it's stuck between the middle band and the lower band, that's a sell rallies market. It can rally, either be long the rally or step aside. It's not let's fight it short. Be long the rally or step aside. I understand if you're a hammer and everything looks like a nail, okay? If you're just somebody that can never buy the market and everything looks like a short. That's a really lousy way to exist, but okay. Then what you need to do is stand aside. Wait for it to work itself out, and then let it come back in. Because on that daily chart, as long as we are below this green line, ultimately it's a sell rallies deal. But you got to be patient on these rallies. Be long, stand aside, and then get involved. Plenty of time, plenty of handles in a real sell rallies market to get done what you need to get done over the course of a day, a week, and a month. So let's see how they open it up. It's about 8:50 in the morning Eastern time as I'm doing this. I gave you the levels there, but some very good price action last couple of days by the bears. You had this failure Friday afternoon at the monthly and at the daily mid-band, and you had this move weekly pivot. But again, don't leave higher lows. You got to make a lower low. Then you got to go after this low and this low. That's not today. That's over time. First of all, you got to deal with the red line. All right. Everybody, you have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.